Yeah, sir. What it do, YouTube? Big homie squad. It's your boy, Big Homie Scooter, the shooter, and I'm back with another. My bad, I got my hands full with my other camera and my little stand and y'all kind of stuff. But what going on, Johnny? But hey, man, y'all know who it is, man. Y'all know what's going on, what's happening, man. Y'all know what today is. Yeah, Uspsa is Wednesday, man. We finna go, do what we do best. Yeah, but hey, man, hey, before we do anything, man, y'all hit that sub button, hit that like button, leave a comment, hit the little bell notification, man, so y'all know when I drop. All right. In the meantime, in between time, man, we finna go in here. We're gonna have a good day, good match. Hey, so I got a text message early and was like, hey, man, boy, you on the top 20. You on the top 20 list on Uspsa. Well, I'm like, whoa, what? Like, yeah. So I go in there and I look. I'm almost at A class. I'm at 74.8%. So they put me in like the top 10, top 20, top 10 or whatever on, in my class, in my division, as far as finna get the class up. So I think I said that right. But anyway, yeah, man. So I'm gonna drop a little picture like somewhere right up in here for y'all or whatever. But meantime, in between time, man, y'all stay tuned, man. And hey, I'm finna go ahead and have some fun today, man. So hey, y'all stay tuned and let's go. First stage, I'm up first, of course.
Well, I had never shot an open gun before. I don't know.
You ready? You first?
Yeah.
Eyes and ears, make ready. So unloaded table start, right?
Unloaded table start. One magazine on table, the others can be stowed.
So the magazine you're loading with has to be on the table.
Yes.
Yeah, cause it's full, and then I don't have a problem with dropping it.
Yeah, I just put my shit.
Johnny, ready?
Hands on up.
Hands touching ears.
Hands touching ears.
Touching ears.
Right here. Stand by. Clear. Camera down. 16.
And I was smooth.
1662. I just finished fourth. Out Charlie. Two out.
But out Charlie. Out Charlie. Two Charlie. Two Alpha. Two Charlie. Two Charlie.
Two out. Out Charlie. Score. Nice one.
Yep, and I'm putting them on here. 613 was my score, so y'all stay tuned. Second stage, I'm up. There you go.
Stage 2. Hector. Are you? Stand by.
That is not fair. Did you get hit with steel? Yeah, it did get them all. Oh. Oh, no, I'm talking like literally hit steel. I got helped it, but he's the. I'll start. Sit up here. Go 3 seconds.
It's up 5, 6. Y'all stay tuned. Third stage, and I'm up.
Get. Okay, Scooter is shooter. Joseph, you're on deck. Last shooter.
What is this? Is it stage 3? Oh, I can't do it. I tried. My fingers don't do it.
Little social commentary there.
Yeah. Hector. Are you ready? Stand by.
God damn.
Clear, hammer down, holster. Range is clear, time 15, 40.
Left side forward, 0.
I think back and fall out.
I have two.
Did you fire 2 shots?
Charlie, go. All score. Alright. Mr. Kennemer is the shooter, last shooter.
4, 6, 7, man. Let's go. Full
Yeah.
stage, I'm up. There go.
Stage 4.
That's gonna be the thumbnail.
Are you ready? Stand by. Clear, hammer down, holster. Range is clear, 1754, 1754. Up, Charlie.
I can't out of the box.
Out,
Out, Charlie. 2 alpha, 2. Charlie. 2, Charlie. Alpha
Kilmer's the shooter. Chuck will be the last shooter.
5-0 with a mic. First classified, let's go.
Make ready.
Scooter shooter, Joe is on deck, Chuck production in the hole.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Stand by. 274. Are you ready? Stand by. Holster range is clear.
Alpha 2 Charlie, all score.
Trigger froze, huh?
Okay, Joe is the shooter. Adam, did you shoot?
Go.
You want to go last?
6-8. My last classified, let's go.
Make it. All right. Stand by. Hip clear, hammer down and holster. Range is clear, 844. 4 alpha, 4 alpha, 3 alpha, delta, 4 alpha, no shoot. Kittimer is the shooter. Adam,
781.
I'm in the
Yes, sir. Yeah. Long night. Lot of hiccups. Yeah, man. Last classifier, I shot it clean, except for the last shot. I nicked the top of that. No shoot. It had me shooting at a 72%, in which if I wouldn't, I probably would have shot 80%, and that would have put me in class A. It would have classed me up. Unfortunately, it wasn't my night to class up, which is okay. It's cool. I ain't tripping. We're gonna try to shoot next week, the match next week. Yeah, 5th overall, 2nd in my division. So, I mean, it is what it is, man. That's what comes with this sport, man. You're gonna have them good days, you're gonna have them okay days, and you're gonna have them bad days. So, today was just one of them okay days. You know, could have been better, but it couldn't have been better. It went exactly how it was predicted to go. So, no, I won't be tripping. The match next week, next Wednesday, I'm on a wait list. They might call me, they might not. So we'll see how that go. But I am shooting in at Bros Gap next weekend. I'm training this weekend in Atlanta with a grandmaster, as I told y'all before. But all in all, that 72% that I shot tonight, it's gonna replace a 79% that I shot a few weeks ago or whatever. So it's gonna bring my average. Oh, excuse me. It's gonna bring my average down or whatever, which I ain't tripping because the next score is I think it's like a 66. So as long as I shoot, I want to say like a 75% or higher on the next classifier, should be okay. I think I class up. I mean, it's just it's a part of this sport, man. I've had some of the best shooters tell me like same thing, said that. Because, okay, let me say this. You gotta shoot 75% to 85% to be class A. I was just overall 74.8%. So I was like 2 points away, which I ain't tripping or whatever. Again, I've had better shooters tell me they've been right there at the line of crossing over to A, and they try to play it safe, and it knock them back down. And they have to, go back to the drawing board. So it is what it is, man. That's what come with this sport. I ain't really tripping. I'm enjoying the journey. I have fun. I kick it with, the guys that I shoot with on a regular. And like, this is what we do, man. So all in all, I can't do nothing but practice, practice, and practice. Get better, and it's coming. Like, there's one thing I will say, but for sure, it's coming. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all stay tapped in with me, man. Of course, man, I'm gonna bring y'all along for the ride. But yeah, man, 5th overall, 2nd in my division. It is what it is. But yeah, man, I'm finna eat, hit that shower, and hit that bed. It's almost 10 o'clock. So yeah, in the meantime, in between time, man, hey, y'all know who it is. Y'all know what's going on. Y'all know what's going on. And y'all know who it is, man. It's Big Homie Scooter, the shooter.